Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI. Before that, let's quickly understand what exactly is Claude AI for. Claude AI is an artificial intelligence chatbot very similar to ChatGPT. Now, what is it used for? Number one, it is used for answering question like you can ask it anything and it will reply to you in a very natural language. Number two, it is mostly used for writing help. It help you write email, essay, blog, stories or even poetry. Number three, Claude AI is well known for summarizing information. For example, it can take really very long document, even longer than ChatGPT can process, and give you a short summary in clear points. Number four, it is used for coding. You can write, debug, or explain the code using Claude AI. Number five, it is used for brainstorming, like it is very good for generating ideas for, say, business plan, project ideas, content ideas. Lastly, but not the least, it is used for chatting naturally. For example, you can have a conversation with it just like you do have with me. Okay, out of many, the one difference between Claude and ChatGPT is Claude is better for reading big documents and better for deep analysis, whereas ChatGPT is better for polished, creative, and presentation ready outputs. Okay, having these facts known, let's quickly understand how to use Claude. I simply type claude.ai as a URL. Now I already have an account here. In case if you don't have an account, please do register yourself for a free account on Claude. Once you're logged in, this is how the Claude dashboard looks like. This is an input prompt. Here you want to write as many questions as you. Okay, for example, say me something about the monsoon in India. Fine. And this is how I send the question so that Claude can reply to me back. It processes my query and replies me with a well-known, natural language output. Okay, fine. So huge amount of information. I'm excited. Very good. Huge amount of information that it has given to me here. Straightforward. You want, you can share this reply with someone. You really don't have to copy and paste into any text editor or a Word file. It simply provides you here the option that is share. Click to it. Again say share. Okay. Don't keep it private. Keep it public in case if you want to share it many people. Okay. I just say copy link and almost I'm done. I click to it. You look, it's open in a new tab, and this is what is my Claude AI, the response. Right? If shared with this link with somebody, the people will simply copy and paste it in a new tab, and the response from Claude AI of the previous request is been accessible. Okay. Similarly, like if I could go here, once again back to my Claude AI and click to new chat, I select this attachment. It gives me option in case if you want to upload a file, take a screenshot, add something from GitHub. Let me go to upload a file. I have a sales report in my system. This is a 10-page sales report and I want Claude to summarize it. So let me say open, and by the time it is opening, I quickly write a prompt here. Can you please summarize it in two sentences? Okay, this is a 10-page report. Okay, and it is here. All right. Also, present, let me put a prompt. Also, present the analysis as a PowerPoint slide. Okay, here we go. Fine. It's drafting the artifact, and if you could see, it's quickly generating code side by side. It's almost done. Okay, we are ready with the response mostly, and here we go. Isn't this lovely? Am I right? Okay, if you could click to publish here, yeah, publish and copy the link. Okay, I say publish and copy the link. The link has been copied, and this link, when shared, and paste it, you see the response is open under a new tab in a really very well looking report. Is that fine, everybody? Okay, that's all from my side. See you back in the next AI tool.